good evening, friends. I'm Abhijit and I welcome you all my YouTube channel. Listen, today we'll be discussing about how Nifty and Bank Nifty have performed today. That is 19th May, third weekly expiry of this month. How Nifty and Bank Nifty can perform tomorrow. That is 20th of May, Friday. Before we go to Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's look at the global indices. If we talk about the European indices, Germany, France, and UK all are trading in deep red because of the higher inflation data coming in Europe as well, just like India. In India, also, we saw that uh, inflation is reaching to its highest levels. So, yeah, because of that, we know that the Fed and the RBI and other central reserve banks will increase the rates, and then the liquidity will be flushed out. Because of that, we are seeing all this correction. However, if we talk about China, the China closed in green. First three indices were in green, however the two indices were slightly in red. If we talk about US closed in deep red. Last night Nasdaq was down by 5%, and Dow Jones was down by close to 3.5%, S&P 500 4%. So as of now, the global markets are bleeding. So let's look at the FIDI data. FIs were net sellers. They have sold for 4,899 crores. DIs were net buyers. They have bought for 3,225 crores. So we saw a huge gap down today. So can you imagine? Like, it was a gap down of approximately 320 points. So this is the kind of a volatility which we are seeing. So we saw an upward move, then we saw a downward move, and God knows, we might see a upward move or we might slide down to the further levels. But I'm not really happy what is happening in the market because it's very choppy and very volatile. So yeah. So anyway, so it was more or less a downward move for the entire day in Nifty. There was not much of a volatility. So yeah, the first support for the Nifty tomorrow would be 15,740, second would be 15,680, third would be 15,580, and then ultimately 15,500. On the higher side, the first resistance would be 15,900, followed by 16,000, and then 16,080. If this is crossed, then of course we'll see another short covering move which we saw on 17th May. So on Nifty option chain for 26 May, the data is less, but we can see that 16,000 is the area where 90,000 put writers are there, and they are more in number as compared to the call writers. So yeah, let's see what happens to these put writers. It seems like market is gonna go up because these put writers are more in number, but let's see, we do not know what will happen. So as of now, 15,800, 15,500, 15,500. Let's say 15,500 on a broader range, the support for this weekly series. On the higher side, I can say 16,200 can act as a resistance. So yeah, on the Bank Nifty was slightly more you know stronger as compared to the Nifty. We saw that Bank Nifty was trying to recover, but Nifty was not letting it, because in Nifty we were getting hammered because of the IT sector. So first support for Bank Nifty would be 33,150, second would be 32,950, and third would be 32,400. On the higher side, the first resistance for the market would be 33,550, followed by this level, which is 33,800, and then followed by 33,950, followed by 34,100 uh, price. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty. If we talk about option chain, on option chain broader range 35,000 to 33,500. So yeah, these are the levels wherein we can say that market can move. If you want to create a strangle, you can create a strangle of 33,500 to 35,000. So yeah, with proper adjustment, you might need to have to manage it in case of huge gaps up and gap downs which are happening. So yeah, that's all for this video, friend. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.